Why do zebras have stripes? Is it simply for beauty, or is there a deeper secret hidden behind their iconic patterns? In a world full of mysteries, the stripes of a zebra stand out as one of nature's most intriguing puzzles. You might be wondering, what could possibly be so fascinating about black and white stripes? Well, hold on tight, because what we're about to unravel is a journey that will not only change how you see these animals but may also shift your perspective on the animal kingdom at large. First, let's take a moment to appreciate the zebra's striking appearance. Imagine yourself in the savannah, under the bright African sun, surrounded by majestic wildlife. Suddenly, you spot a herd of zebras grazing, a mesmerizing display of monochrome markings punctuating the golden grasslands. These creatures seem to effortlessly blend into their surroundings while simultaneously standing out in striking contrast. But the deeper question remains, why these stripes? Are they merely decorative, or is there a functional purpose to that eye-catching coat? In a span of just a few minutes, you'll discover that behind those charming stripes lies far more than meets the eye. Surprisingly, researchers have been asking this question for over a century, and the answers might just blow your mind. From predator evasion to social dynamics, the stripes of zebras serve purposes that are as complex as they are fascinating. And here's something you didn't expect. Recent studies suggest that those stripes can even affect the behavior of other animals. Intrigued? You should be, because the revelation of the stripes is filled with twists and turns that unravel the deep connection between zebras and their environment. One of the most prevalent theories is that the stripes help zebras evade predators. You see, when a group of zebras gathers together, their stripes create an optical illusion. From a distance, it becomes challenging for predators, like lions and hyenas, to single out one individual. The bands of black and white confuse their vision, causing disorientation. Think of it as nature's own camouflage, a strategic advantage in the relentless struggle for survival. But wait, could this camouflage be more than just protection? Research has shown that it isn't just about confusing predators. The stripes might also serve to regulate temperature. Yes, you heard that right. Some scientists have posited that the differing temperatures of the black and white stripes create tiny air currents around the zebra's body, helping them to cool off under the African sun. So, in a way, these stripes work overtime. They offer protection while keeping the zebras cool. Now, let's switch gears for a moment. How do zebras actually perceive their stripes? Unlike humans, zebras see the world in contrasting shades. Their eyes are designed in such a way that helps them detect movement effectively amidst the tall grasses of the savanna. With this unique vision, the stripes may enhance their ability to perceive threats, allowing them to respond more quickly against lurking dangers. Just imagine how incredibly adapted these creatures are, darting this way and that in a dance of survival, all thanks to their striped coats. But here's a surprising twist. Could it be that the stripes also play a crucial role in social interaction? Indeed, zebras are highly social animals that live in complex family units. Each zebra can recognize its herd mates by their unique stripe patterns, much like how we identify each other by facial features. So, these stripes are a kind of social marker, helping zebras establish bonds, maintain relationships, and communicate their individual identities within a group. Now, you may still wonder, why not just rely on their sense of smell or sound for communication? The answer goes deeper into the world of animal behavior. Stripes provide a visible cue that aids zebras in recognizing each other even from a distance, enabling them to stay close when danger is near. Imagine the advantages this gives them in the vast expanse of the African landscape, where visibility is often compromised. Still curious? Let's dive into the evolutionary aspect. In the grand narrative of evolution, every trait has a purpose. Theories suggest that stripes may have originated from environmental conditions that favor the survival of striped zebras over their solid-colored relatives. If you have ever seen a striped horse or pony, this may sound counterintuitive. But clinging back to our zebras, researchers have fascinatingly noted that breeding and genetics also come into play. The genetic code that dictates the formation of stripes can shed light on how these patterns developed over centuries, shaped by their roles in survival and socialization. And what's more, stripes may even play a role in deterring pests. That's right. Studies have shown that flies, particularly tsetse flies and horseflies, are less likely to land on zebras compared to other ungulates. Could the stripe's unique pattern confuse these pests? Or perhaps it creates an environment that's less appealing for them? Imagine, while other animals are swatting away annoying flies and dealing with bites, the zebras stand relatively undisturbed, their stunning stripes acting like a natural shield against pests. Isn't nature ingenious? Now, let's take a closer look at the stripes themselves. You might have noticed that no two zebras are exactly alike. Every zebra's stripes are unique, much like human fingerprints. This individuality not only helps with social recognition but also adds an air of mystery. If you think about it, each stripe tells a story, a narrative of ancestry, survival, and adaptation. Wouldn't it be enchanting if we could decipher those stories? As we delve deeper into the zebra's world, consider how these patterns have fascinated cultures for centuries. The iconic black and white stripes have made zebras symbols of balance and contradiction in various cultures. Whether it's in art, literature, or folklore, zebras remind us of the duality present in life, the blend of opposites. This symbolic representation adds another layer of intrigue to our initial question: why do zebras have stripes? Perhaps it is also about how they embody the harmonious coexistence of differences in their very appearance. You would be surprised to learn that the stripes may also reflect broader ecological pathways. They signal to the ecosystem's health, acting as bioindicators. As their population fluctuates, it can showcase the impact of environmental changes, such as habitat loss or climate change. Here lies another layer in the complexity of nature, the simultaneous existence of the individual within the larger narrative of the ecosystem. Feeling more intrigued? You should be, as we approach the final chapters of our investigation. The black and white stripes seem straightforward, yet they are a key that unlocks the intricate relationships zebras maintain within their environment. The wonder of nature lies in its layers and tunes. Every aspect harmonizes in a way that reveals the melody of survival. As we bring our exploration to a close, let's reflect on the takeaways. The stripe coats that we often admire are not just a visual allure, they are survival tools, social signals, thermal regulators, and even pest deterrents. Zebras, through their stripes, showcase nature's brilliance. They embody a delicate balance of adaptation and resilience. Their story reminds us of the intricate connections shared throughout the animal kingdom and our planet as a whole. Now that we've unraveled the mystery of zebra stripes, you might leave this exploration with a newfound appreciation for these creatures. The next time you see a zebra, remember, there's so much more than black and white at play. The patterns you see are a testament to nature's ingenuity, each stripe a brushstroke of survival painted across the canvas of the African plains. The truth of why zebras have stripes is both a story of remarkable adaptation and a powerful reminder of the intricate web of life that surrounds us. What comes next will leave you pondering your place within that web. As you step into your world, consider the fascinating interplay of colors and forms you encounter daily. Nature, it turns out, is an artist far beyond our comprehension. As always, keep your curiosity alive, and who knows what other extraordinary mysteries await you in the untamed wilderness beyond the horizon.